we talk about how can you enable item on your uh, package option app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile here, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click on settings. When you just click on settings here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on theme. Just click here on theme. So then you go down, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on light theme here. When you just click on it, then automatically it's going to change with your, like you see, to light mode on your package option app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.